Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Constant Contact email service, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Constant Contact website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Review the pricing plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. Enter your business details, such as your company name and address. Provide any additional information requested, such as your website URL or social media links. Select your email preferences, including the types of emails you plan to send. Once you've completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation message. Click on the confirmation link to verify your email address. Log into your Constant Contact account using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its tools. To create your first email campaign, click on the Email tab. Select Create to start a new email campaign. Choose between a regular email or an automated campaign based on your needs. Pick a template that suits your brand or the message you want to convey. Customize the template with your content, including text, images, and links. Use the drag and drop editor to arrange your elements easily. Ensure your email is mobile-friendly by checking the mobile preview. Once your email content is ready, click on Next to review your campaign. Add recipients by selecting your email list or creating a new one. Schedule your email for a specific date and time, or choose to send it immediately. Review all settings one final time before sending. Click on the Send button to launch your email campaign. Monitor the performance of your campaign through the Analytics dashboard. Check the open rates and click-through rates to gauge recipient engagement. Make adjustments to future campaigns based on the insights you gain. Explore additional features, such as automation and list segmentation, to enhance your email marketing efforts. Utilize Constant Contact's support resources for any questions or troubleshooting needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.